everyone! Today I'm going to show you 3 basic macrame variations to the square knot. Let's get started. To begin, just go ahead and attach 2 cords to a dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Then tie 1 normal square knot. Now, to form the switch knot, we're going to take our 2 outer cords and simply switch places with the 2 cords in the middle by just bringing them over and then pulling those middle cords to the outer sides. Then, using the new cords on the outer side, we're going to tie a normal square knot around the 2 new cords that are in the middle. You can leave as much space between your square knots as you like. Then repeat by once again switching the outer cords with the cords in the middle. This is a great way to give new interest in your square knot chains, as well as keeping the middle cords and the outer cords the same length in your project. On our next square knot method, again start with 2 cords with a lark's head knot and then tie a normal square knot. Now, we're going to tie another normal square knot, but we're going to tie it a little bit down from our last square knot. Once you have that square knot tied, we're going to hold the middle cords and then push up on our square knot until it connects with our first one. We'll have formed loops off to the side by doing this. Then all we do is repeat the same process. When you tie your square knot loops, just note that the more space you leave between your square knots, the bigger your loops will be. And of course, the smaller space you leave, the smaller your loops will be. For our third square knot variation, we're going to begin by tying 3 square knots in a row. When you tie your very first square knot, leave a little bit of a gap from up top. Once you have tied all 3 of your square knots, we're going to take the 2 middle cords, we're going to pull them upwards and send them up through the little gap here at the top that we left. Then you're going to just keep pulling on those middle cords until it pulls all your square knots upwards into a rounded shape. We're going to secure our berry knot into place by tying 1 more square knot down at the base. Just like that. This is a great little 3D and cool variation to the square knot. If you enjoyed this video and would like to learn more, then please check out my online macrame classes. You will learn many tips, tricks, knots, and even full projects in my class. I hope to see you all there. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.